In this quick video, I will show you how to set take profit and stop loss on Bybit step by step. So the first step is to go to bybit.com, then log in using your Bybit account. Once you have logged in, go to derivatives here, and for example, I'm going to trade in USDT perpetual, and I'm going to trade Sol USDT. And for the sake of this video, we're going to set up a position. So I'm just going to lower the leverage here. You can choose cross or isolated margin mode. The only difference is that if you choose cross margin mode, all corresponding available balance can be lost in the event of liquidation, while the isolated mode, in the event of a liquidation, you may lose the initial margin and the extra margin added to this position. Then click confirm, and you can choose limit market or conditional option, but we're going to use market option. And I want to type down the 50% of my asset, and then you can choose buy long or sell short. So click here, and you can set your take profit or stop loss here. So if I'm going to buy long, I want to take profit at the 22.078, and if I want to minimize my losses, I want to set my stop loss on 21.746. And that is how you set take profit and stop loss on Bybit. Then once you have set your take profit and stop loss, click buy long, and then you can see it here on your position if you're going to use the market option. If you're going to use the limit option, you will have to wait for your order to be filled. And if you have any questions about how to set take profit and stop loss on Bybit, leave a comment below.